Today I will explain how to buy shares of Hexaom SA, ticker ALHEX.PA. Hexaom is a company in the building and home improvement sector listed on Euronext, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and you will need to add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ALHEX.PA to find Hexaom. Select the result that clearly shows the Euronext listing to ensure it is the correct stock. On the Hexaom asset page, review the short company description and the price chart to confirm this is the right listing. Make sure the exchange field shows Euronext and the ticker ALHEX.PA. Click Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to commit, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at market open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before allowing confirmation. Once executed, your Hexaom position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the link to open an eToro account in the description if you want to follow this demo.